Hello everyone, this is my review of this high-pressure showerhead handle. The showerhead handle has filters in it to filter your water, and it comes with 3 extra filters with it. It has a control here to turn the water on or off, or to control the pressure. You got your filter in here. It's easy to pop out and replace, and that's your filter there. So I'm going to go ahead and hook it up and show you what it's like. Just screw it onto your existing hose here. Make sure you install the rubber seal or it will leak. Okay, the water is already on. Just push that button and the water will start flowing out. You can see the pressure there and the thing spinning in the back, which looks kind of cool. And you can adjust the pressure with your knob here. Adjust it to high, to low. I highly recommend this product, and I hope that this review helped.